Nan Babo Kabalen. Kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanat of Roy Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products and services to our Where in Pampanga community.
Yes.
Guys, today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Mabalacat, Pampanga.
Specifically sa Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House.
Alright, so from the name itself, we're gonna be having, barbecue. Matututo tayo dun sa smoking procedure na ginagawa nila.
At the same time, titingnan din natin mga products na in-offer nila. So tara, let's go!
Hi, my name is John Joshua Yambao from Smoke and Spices. I'm the chef and owner of Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House. Business started around 2 years. Going on na tayo, 2 years na po. We started from delivering products, smoke from ribs, brisket, chicken, all smoke, all local woods yung gamit natin. Okay, my inspiration was to open talaga an outdoor restaurant. Yung feel, yung home authenticity of products na pwede ka mag-produce ng quality restaurant food kahit nasa bahay ka lang or outdoor setup. So far, yung best sellers namin, sir, are the Wagyu Brisket because yun yung main product namin, which is smoke 10 to 12 hours sa local wood. And then second is your ribs. And then we also have other items to smoke. It's like chicken, turkey, tapos yung iba, nagre-request sila ng other meats na prefer nila. We have here sa likod ko yung Barrel Pro Smoker natin, which is an offset smoker. So you can see, hindi siya gumagamit ng electricity or gas. We only use local woods. And then, maluluto yung meats through the smoke. So, indirect heat siya, unlike yung usual natin na grilling na direct heat. Usual procedure naman is that, number 1, dapat alam mo yung woods mo. Should be compatible to the meat because may mga woods tayo na strong yung smoke. So, alam mo rin dapat yung meats na gamit. Number 2, maintaining temp lang naman siya. For brisket is usually 10 to 12 hours. Low and slow. What I mean by low and slow, low temp. Tapos slow cooking tayo para ma-tenderize lalo yung meat, ma-maintain yung juiciness ng meat. Tapos sa ribs, 6 to 8 hours. Chicken, 3 to 4 hours. We are adjusting to the new normal by doing party trays. Party trays for small gatherings. Tapos snack meals, lunch pack meals. Ayun, tapos for inquiries, pwede lang din nila kami check sa pages namin, FB and through IG. Hi po, Karen Kabalen. I'm Chef John of Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House. I'm inviting you guys to check out our page, FB page, Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House, IG, Smoke Spices Barbecue Guide for updates. Naglalabas din kami ng certain menus na bago as we face this new normal.
What a way to enjoy the afternoon. So once again, we would like to thank Smoke and Spices Barbecue Grill House for inviting us. And syempre guys, titikman natin yung mga niluto natin kanina. Right now, we have our original Texas barbecue platter. In it, we have the Wagyu Brisket. Meron din tayong barbecue ribs, sausages, meron tayong turkey breast, meron tayong pulled pork, which is served empanada, and then we have our salsa and the queso sauce. Lahat dito guys are homemade, no? So wala silang ina-outsource na, like for example, yung mga breads natin dyan. Wow! So let's start guys. We won't bore you long. Titikman na natin to. And any other information we're gonna share with you. So samahan niyo po kami. So I'm gonna start with the beef brisket. Oh, look at that. Ang bigat, grabe. So, my estimateness, parang 200 to 250 grams ang isang slice nito. And it's really, really moist. Homemade barbecue sauce. Ayan, so original daw po ito. Wow! Nakita nyo ba yun, guys? It's so soft and tender. You don't even need a knife to cut it, no? Okay, so first try. Wow! As I expected, guys, meat is super soft. Ang daming herbs and spices na talagang matitikman mo kagad. And mind you, Very limited lang po yung mga ganitong nagpa-practice ng smoke grilling. So again, if you're craving, if you're interested to try, make sure to check out their fan page and order from them.
So, tikman naman natin yung ribs nila. So, as you could see, ito yung laman niya, saka yung buto. Ang lambot niya, promise. So, check out the meat. Yan.
And yung mga ganitong style ng dining is actually very popular sa Texas, USA, which is, I think this kind of setup is very normal lang. Pero sa atin guys, since hindi normal sa atin yung, you have a smoker or griller, mga ganyan, it's a good thing that we find something like this dito sa Pampanga.
And something na you could experience it also.
The best thing about their current setup right now is you can actually taste them from home. So if you want this kind of food delivered to your houses, delivered straight to your doors, again guys, check out their fan page, make a transaction with them. Alright. This one is their apple pie and
Matcha ice cream.
Saktong-sakto pagkatapos ng main tray natin. There's gonna be a dessert. So there you have it guys. If you want fine dining at the comfort of your home, make sure to check out Smoke and Spices
Barbecue Grill House.
They're gonna be delivering the food that you saw in this video. And yeah, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Share it with your friends.
And make sure to check out their fan page as well. Like nyo din yung fan page nila so that you're gonna be updated sa mga promos and mga menu updates.
Yes. And also, we support local.
Support local lang.
Yes.
So there you have it guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
See you there. Bye-bye.